welcome to Lyra's Toy Journey. Today we are going to be opening up $5 Tree toys. So the first one I'm going to be opening up is one of the boy toys that I got. I got this cool basketball figurine where you shoot the basketball and you try to make it into the hoop. So let me open it up. Okay, so it came with this little hoop that you have to attach to make the basketball hoop. It came with 3 little basketballs. I'm guessing that you put that in there and then you like fling it up and try to get it into the hoop. So let me set that all together. Thanks to my dad, he put the little hoop in there. So it came with 3 balls and you have to try to make it in there. Those go far. Yeah, 2 more. I'm going to scoop this back. If you make it in, it says you get 2 points. This is a fun little game that you can play if you're bored. Okay, so I'm going to scoot it back so that, because now I know it goes really far. One more ball. So close. Well, now let's go on to the next toy. Now we're going to move on to a girl toy. I got this cute little doll from Dollar Tree. It has 2 tennis rackets and a doll, and she's wearing a pretty pink flower dress. So now let's open it up. So now she has 2 little tennis rackets, which I'm guessing they go in her hand. I'll try to put those in her hand. So if you have another little doll, she can play against her. Another opponent, and she has 2 cute little blue tennis rackets. And she's wearing a cute little pink dress, and you can do her hair because she has a cute little ponytail. And I like her shoes because they're plain old pink shoes. And I like her dress. It's really pretty. Okay, so now let's move on to another toy. Okay, so now we have another girl toy. It's this cute little blue pony. She came with a brush and a tiara. So you can brush her hair and put the tiara on her head. So now let's open up the toy. These are all Dollar Tree products. So I have this cute little pony in her hair. You can brush her hair, and if you have little rubber bands, you can do her hair. It's really cute. And you can also put the tiara on. I think it goes like this, or maybe through her arms. There we go. And she's really cute. This could be the tennis racket girl's pet if you wanted it to, because they're both blue. She has blue tennis rackets and she's blue. And she's really pretty. I like her sparkles. So now let's move on to a boy toy. Next, I have this robot. He looks really cool, actually. I think this is his arm. I'm not sure. We'll have to see when we open it up. And I like the colors. So I was right. This is part of his arm. I'm guessing this is like a laser. He's really cool. I actually really like this toy. He can move like he's walking. He reminds me of a Transformer a lot. And I like how he has his face and he has these like plasters. It's really cool. And I think you can take this out of his hand and put it in another one. I'm not sure. But he's really cool and fun to play with. And I like his colors. I like his red, orange, and black colors. And he's really cool to play with. So now let's move on to another toy. So now I have this dollhouse furniture in place. So if you have a dollhouse, you can put this in there. It comes with a TV, like a table to put your TV on, a clock, and a girl. So now, let's open it. So now I got the girl out. I like her dress. I think she has the same shoes as the other girl. So if you have a dollhouse, you can like put this in there. But I don't, so I'm just going to put it on the table. It's really, really great and pretty amazing that they make things at Dollar Tree to put in your dollhouse. And so I'm going to go get that other doll, the one with the tennis racket, so that they can play together. Where is she? So I found her. And now they can kind of compete against each other, but the doll clock, it doesn't stand up. I don't know why, so we'll just have to lean it against. So now, if this fits through her hand, they can play against each other. Let me put this in her hand. So when I was trying to put the tennis rackets on their arms, they don't actually go in their hands, they go on their arms because their hands are a little too small. But if you have like a baseball bat or something that they can hit each other with the tennis racks, you can pretend that they're playing tennis with them. And then this girl can go inside the house with her. So that is all the toys that we have for today. I'm gonna go get all the toys, and you can pick which one of your toy was your favorite in the comments down below. So let me go get all of them. So comment down below which one was your favorite. My favorite was probably this one and this one. I really like all the toys though. Comment down below which one was your favorite toy though. My favorite toy was this one, I think. If you like these toys, give them a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!